Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, my name is Natalie and I run a stationery shop called DoodlesnTea. Today I wanted to make this video to share with you guys how I managed to get the swipe up feature for my Instagram stories without having 10,000 followers. I'm sure many of you guys have seen on Instagram stories this swipe up feature that can link to things like websites, YouTube videos, and all of that. And one of the requirements for that is that you need at least 10k followers. However, I found a blog post that talks about how for us shop owners, you don't necessarily need 10k followers to get this function. First, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that this will only work if, number one, you have a business account, and number two, you are a shop owner, because when I say swipe up, it's only going to link to your product or your shop within Instagram. But through Instagram, it is connected to your shop, so technically everything is connected, but you're not allowed to swipe up and link things like a different website or YouTube videos. For all of that, you're still going to need 10k followers. Basically, what I'm trying to say is this format will allow you to swipe up or tag products in your Instagram story, which will lead to your shop in Instagram, which if you click on your shop or a product through your Instagram shop, it will directly bring that person to either your Etsy shop or your Shopify shop or just your shop in general. This is a really useful feature because then you don't have to tell people to go to your link in bio. They can just go through your Instagram stories, and if you have a tag, they can directly find your product through there. So if you're curious on how to get this set up, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe for more in the future. And now let's get started. So like I said before, I found this through a blog post, so I will link the original blog post in the description for you guys to check out. But it seems like even with this blog post out, I did a poll and asked people that follow me on Instagram if they knew about this function, and a lot of people didn't know either. So I wanted to make this video to bring more awareness to the fact that this function exists, because I feel like it's very beneficial for us with a smaller following. So like I said before, the first thing that you want to do if you haven't done this already is to change your Instagram into a business account. And you can do so by just going to the settings in your Instagram account. The second thing you want to do is to create a Facebook page. I believe when you change your Instagram account into a business account, they will automatically ask you to create a Facebook page to link to it. But if it doesn't, because I don't remember the process, I did this like a year and a bit ago, you will have to create a Facebook business page. Once you have that set up, you're gonna want to sign into Facebook's business suite. And I will link all of these in the description as well for you to check out. Now, I have this all written down because these are all the steps that you have to go through, and I'll leave it on screen as well. But once you're in Facebook's business suite, you're gonna want to go into settings, more business settings, brand safety, domains, and then add. And once you're there, you're going to want to enter your shop name with this format. So you're going to want to take out all of the HTTP code and whatnot that goes in the beginning of a website URL and type it in the format of shopname.etsy.com. So for example, my shop would be DoodlesnTea.etsy.com. Once you get that done, you're gonna want to copy the meta tag line. Next, we're gonna go into Etsy's shop manager. You're gonna go to settings, Facebook shops, and then you're going to paste the meta tag that you took from the business manager into the area in Etsy. Now, once you've pasted it in Etsy, you're gonna go back to the Facebook business manager, and it should show that your website is verified. Now we're gonna go back to Facebook Business Suite. We're gonna go under Commerce, Catalog, Items, and Add Items. I like to do adding multiple items because it shows everything as a list and you can just get everything done in one go. And basically what you're going to do is you're just gonna copy and paste all the information that you have from your Etsy listings and fill in the blanks that need to be filled. The important thing to note here though is that for the website link, you're going to want to paste it as the same format that we did earlier, which is shopname.etsy.com and then slash all the code after that. That is your listing name. Once again, the important part is to take out the HTTP, all that stuff in the beginning of the URL. because if you keep that there, it's not going to work when you open up Instagram. Now, we're gonna go back to Instagram. We're gonna go to Settings, Business, Shopping, and Website. You're gonna want to enter, again, the same format, shopname.etsy.com, into the website space. Once you submit your website in that blank, it's gonna say that your name is under review, and this could take a while. I believe mine took around an hour or two to be approved, but once it's approved, you will see that the website has been moved under current website. And that is it. After that is there, you can start tagging products and linking your store in your Instagram story. I would suggest that you only set up a couple of listings, maybe 2 or 3, just to test out if you can connect it onto your Instagram first, before going through the heartache of putting all your listings there only to realize you did something wrong. So I'm actually gonna show you guys, and I'll put the screen recording here of what I do for my Instagram. So we're on my Instagram right now, and we'll do the washi tapes. So we have the post, and now we're going to share this on your story. So here we have the post on our story. What you're gonna wanna do is click the link icon, and now you can see swipe up link. So you can either put your shop or put a product. So let's do product. I haven't actually finished putting all my products either because I wanted to film this video first, but we're going to go down to where the listing is, washi tape set. Click check, and the call to action has been added. So from your view, you're not going to actually be able to see it, but if other people look at your Instagram story, they will be able to see it. And we're going to post. So when you look at your own Instagram story, you're going to see this link icon instead of the swipe up feature, but don't worry, other people are seeing it as a swipe up. And that's about it. That's how you set up the swipe up function for your Instagram stories to connect to products and your shop without 10K followers. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, the original blog post will be in the description for you to check out. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel because it'll help me out a lot. And if you have any other video requests, you can leave it in the comments as well. I'm so appreciative of every one of you that leaves a comment for me to read at the end. And I hope you guys are taking care of yourself and staying safe out there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!